So once you're inside Adobe Spark, again, you'll go to the plus at the top and you will choose video to make a video Adobe Spark presentation. You'll be asked to provide a title. You can type that in there, click next. They'll give you a couple of different templates. If you're an English teacher or an ex-English teacher like me, you'll see that there's some here that might be rewarding for you. Otherwise, you can do the make up my own. I'm going to go ahead and choose the hero's journey. You may see a brief tutorial video that opens up. You can just skip that. And then you'll see a page that looks like this. So now everything has been loaded. On the bottom of the screen, this is basically your timeline. And they've put in different sections here for you. So you have the setup, you have the call to adventure, the challenge, climax, and resolution. And again, this is going to differ depending upon the template that you've chosen. On the right side, you have your different layout options, full screen, split screen, a caption, or a title. You also have theme at the very top. So you can choose your theme. There is a remix button for each theme. So if you choose that, it will just basically shuffle through the different options, or you can choose color options on the bottoms of the themes. There's a resize from widescreen to square. Most of the time, you'll probably just stick with widescreen. And then there's an option to add music at the very end. As far as working within this exact template, you'll see at the bottom, and all the templates work this way, there's a little caption that tells you basically what this slide should include. So tell us how the world would be better or is better now. So you would go in, click the plus, and you'll have 4 options anytime you click the plus. You can add video, text, photo, or an icon. Video, it's just going to take you straight to a page to upload video. It does not give you an option to include YouTube video. Text does what you would assume it does. Text would go there. And then for photo, they give you a couple of different options for photos. On the right side, you can upload your own photo. If you already have photos saved in Google Drive or Google Photos, you can include those. Otherwise, for the most part, you'll probably want to stick with just finding the free photos. Give your free photos a quick search. Spelling is usually a good thing. And you'll just go ahead and add the photos straight in. With your photos, you do have the option of resizing. When you click on a photo, there'll be a pencil in the corner. You can click that, and then you can go ahead and adjust your photo size, such as that. One thing to notice is Adobe Spark is very simplistic in their layout, so they don't allow for a lot of overlapping. So here you'll see I searched for an icon of a house. I added house to it, and what it did is it actually replaced the original photo I had underneath. So just be aware of that. And then in the center of the screen, since I'm doing a dual screen layout here, you can see I have an option to just swap the items around. Last couple of options you have here. In the bottom right, you have a chance to adjust the amount of time that this plays during the film. So that's 16 seconds all the way down to 1 second. You'll see the max is 30. And then you also have an option to narrate. When you click on that, it will just ask for permission to use your microphone. You'll have to hold that in while you speak, and then it will go ahead and record while you talk. As you can see, it's doing that right now. You let go, and then you'll see it says you can record again as many times as you want. Again, it will not layer. It's only going to let you record that one time. If you do choose to narrate your video, you'll notice that the slides will adjust to the amount of narration. So if my narration was only 2 seconds, even though I had the slide originally set to 6, it will adjust down to 2 seconds. Final steps, you'll want to preview your video at the top. You'll also have the option to share and to download.